Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to download moving breakout indicator and trade on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So once the robo is started, click on the indicator. Make sure that you are choosing the right MT4. Click download and wait for a few seconds. It will confirm the number of files downloaded. And then if you want to delete any of your old templates, click this and say copy indicator. This will say file copy success. Once this is done, close this screen, minimize it and go to your MT4. Bring your navigator and right click and say refresh. So this will give you the indicators that are copied in your trend folder. Now open your future chart, Bank Nifty, future chart of Nifty, place it in 1 minute time frame, and from the template choose MBO Bank Nifty underscore Nifty. The same thing for Nifty, put it in 1 minute, choose Bank Nifty underscore Nifty. Go towards start of the day. For Nifty as well. So this strategy is purely a ATM buy strategy. So the start time is 8:50 and then this day target and day SL are set to a larger number. Don't worry about this because we will set the target and stop loss in robo. So once that indicator is launched in the live market post 8:50 AM, that is 9:20, 30 minutes difference will be there. That is post 9:20, a candle will be chosen by this indicator automatically and a low and high will be marked. In this case 36,298 and 36,235 has been marked as high and low. If you convert this into an ATM, it is going to be 36,300, and if you convert this into ATM PE, it is going to be 36,200. So how the indicator works is, if the candle goes above this, your ATM CE will be purchased and PE will be auto squared off. If the candle goes below this, your ATM PE will be purchased and your CE will be squared off. Same thing for Nifty. It also marks high and low. When it breaks high, your ATM CE will be purchased. When it breaks low, ATM PE will be purchased. The running portion will be automatically squared off. So once you are done with the settings in the MT4, come back to robo, go to portfolio and choose NSE futures and choose Bank Nifty. If you want to run more than one quantity, you can increase it, otherwise leave the settings as is and choose Nifty and save the settings. So we have not set any stop loss or target for the script. We will only concentrate on a day stop loss and day target. Go to settings and say my day target is 3000. We will play it in 1:1 ratio. So set the stop loss as minus 3000. This is little advanced option. For now, we will leave it as such. Uncheck daily move SL and save the settings. Once everything is set, just start robo. Whenever buy and sell signal comes, robo will buy CEP automatically, and based on your MTM, if it reaches 3000 and above, all your portions will be squared off. If it is a stop loss 3000 and below, all your portions will be squared off. Thank you.